In today's video, I will show you an AI tool which you can use in generating image and animating it. The amazing part is this AI tool is completely free and you can use it in generating consistent images. So if you are the type that is interested in this video, come closer, let's dive into it together. So yeah, to generate the image, open your browser, then into the search bar, just search for Meta AI. So Meta AI, you search for Meta AI. Once you search for Meta AI, you are going to be getting to this page. This is the website page of Meta AI, the newly launched AI by Meta. This is the website page of the AI. I will be putting the link to this site in the video description, so you can easily get redirected to this site using the link by clicking the link in the video description. So once you get to this site, you can see this is the message bar here. So we are going to be conversating with the AI to generate us the image with some simple instructions. So the first instruction is I'm going to be telling the AI I want it to generate consistent images using the prompt I will give it, and telling the AI to ensure all the features I will be given remain the same in all the pictures it is going to be generating going forward in this chart. And it's important the features remain consistent in all the pictures it's going to be generating forward. So asking the AI, should I go ahead and give the prompt? So I'm going to send this message to the AI, waiting for the response, waiting for the reply. So reply from the Meta AI is, I will be happy to generate image based on your prompt. Please go ahead and share your prompt and I will do my best to create consistent image with the same features given. Note that I will do my best to maintain consistency, and telling us is that there may be a slight variation due to the AI generative nature. So Meta AI is trying to tell us that it's going to try its possible best to make sure the features is being maintained. The consistency is available on the features it's going to be generating us. So now I'm going to be inputting the prompt. So into the message bar, I'm going to input the prompt. Now the prompt is to generate a realistic full picture of 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗙𝗪, 10 years old with braided hair packed with an African hairband, wears African attire, standing in front of the hut. So just like I've input my own prompt, you will be inputting your own prompt as well. So I'm going to send this to the AI, waiting for the generation of the pictures. So waiting for it, you have to wait for some minute while the picture is being generated. So as you can see, this is the generated image. This is the given image. You can see it look realistic with braided hair. You can see the hair. It is bad. Which you can see the braided hairs and the African attire. The image is the generated image is showing us. So you can see the generation. You can see the AI generated for us exactly what we want. Now moving on. I'm going to be asking the AI whether it remembers all the features. I'm going to ask the AI. So asking the AI now is fantastic. Do you remember the instruction I gave you earlier? Can I give you another prompt so that you can generate another pictures that will look exactly like this 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗙𝗪 you generated? So I'm going to be sending this to the AI, asking whether it can remember the instruction given earlier. So I'm going to send this to the AI. So you can see replying from the AI is, I remember you wanted me to maintain consistency in the images. The faces, the item, the features of 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗪 should remain the same across all the images. I will keep that in mind as I generate the images based on your prompt. It's now asking us to go ahead and give the next prompt, and it's going to do the best to create another image of 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗪 that looks like the one that has been previously generated. So the AI is telling us it will try its possible best to generate us the same image as the one that has been generated earlier. So now we are going to give it another prompt. So now generate another image of 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗪 eating inside the hut with the same feature given earlier. So I'm going to be sending this to the AI. You make sure you tell the AI to generate you another same image of 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗪 with the same features as given earlier. So we are going to send this to the AI, waiting for the image to be generated, and then we'll compare the image to the previous generated image. So you can see this. You have to wait for some minute while the image is being generated. So you can see this is 𝗧𝗲𝗥𝗘𝗪. You can see the image. You can see this image. You can see looking just like the generated image. You can see the image. You can see it is looking exactly like the previous image. You can see. So with you should know how you will communicate, how you will conversate with the with the AI, make sure you conversate. You let the AI, you let it know what exactly you want. So I can still ask the AI whether it remembers the instruction given earlier. Hope you remember the instruction given earlier about maintaining the same features. So I'm going to ask the AI now. So you can see now the AI is telling us it remembers all the features: same face, same age, 10 years, same height, same braided hair packs, same African attire. You can see the African attire, the braided hair is still the same as that of earlier. So I can still give it another prompt to generate the image. Now generate the image of 𝗪𝗛𝗥𝗃 reading inside the earth. Make sure to maintain consistency. So I'm going to send this to the AI. So let's wait while the image is being generated. So you can see this. You can see the consistency in the image. You can see the lookalike. Now this is 𝗪𝗛𝗥 reading inside the earth. We can still as well ask the AI more, and it will keep generating the same image with the same feature. Now the next thing, if you want to animate the image, you want to download the image, just click on any image you want to download, then you click on the download icon up here. So if you want to animate the image, make sure you download the image you want to download. If you want to animate, now you can see the animate icon below here. We have the edit and we have the animate. So you just have to click on animate. So you just click on animate, and within some minutes the image will be animated. So you have to wait for a minute while the image is being animated. So you can see the image is now moving. You can see there is now motion. The motion is now showing in the image. So after animating, you can just click on the download icon here, and you have it downloaded. So that's just how you can use this Meta AI to generate consistent image, making the same features, using the same features in all your image generation and animating it just with the use of Meta AI. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like. If you have any question, drop it in the comment box. I will attend to it, and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.